Ever wonder how you can tell if an egg is fresh or not? To demonstrate, we used a tall glass, a fresh egg, an old egg, a very old egg, and some water. Just gently drop the eggs into the water one at a time and see what they do. A fresh egg will sink and lay on its side. An older egg will sink but stand on its end. And a really old egg will float to the top. If your egg floats, you shouldn't eat it. Can you tell which egg is which? As eggs get older, moisture escapes from inside the eggs, making the small air bubbles inside the eggs grow bigger and bigger. The bigger the air bubble, the more the egg floats.